We begin tonight with continuing coverage of the trial of the three men accused of killing Ahmaud Arbery.
Some defense attorneys are taking issue with the hundreds of demonstrators outside the courthouse yesterday, filing another motion for a mistrial. And WSAV News 3's Brian Ray is in Brunswick tonight. He is joining us live now with our top story. Brian, the jury has the day off.
Tina and Ben, good evening. Jurors were not in court today as the attorneys and judge met for charge conference ahead of closing arguments. And the crowds of demonstrators we saw yesterday are gone today, but their actions are still being talked about inside the courtroom. The crowd of hundreds diminishing to a crowd of dozens on Friday. But defense attorney Kevin Gough is arguing Thursday's rally is leaving his client, William Roddy Bryan, victim of, quote, inherent prejudice.
In the trial, it's been infected by mob violence of a woke left mob. This is what a mob-dominated trial looks like in the 21st century, and we're asking for the mistrial.
Showing photos of the crowd on the courthouse steps, Gough claims jurors are influenced by the show of support. Lead prosecutor Linda Donikowski responding, saying Gough is trying to maneuver a mistrial.
They're responding to what he strategically, knowingly, intelligently did so that there would be a response so that he could then complain of it. That is good lawyering right there, because now he's motioned for a mistrial.
This was Gough's sixth motion for a mistrial, citing concerns about juror influence, which the judge denied. Judge Walmsley says he feels there was no disruption to the courtroom and will ensure no jurors were influenced. But not all defense attorneys are on the same page as Gough.
That what happened yesterday was beautiful. It was powerful. There was passion. There was emotion. There was community support. The community came together in a beautiful, powerful way on an issue that they felt very passionately about.
Closing arguments are set to begin on Monday, marking the beginning of the end to the trial. Attorney Sheffield says he wants the jury to have the time they need to make a thoughtful decision.
That can take 20 minutes for some. It could take 2 days. It could take a week. Whatever the jury needs, we want them to have it. This jury, though, however, has a solid intent to get to the bottom of the truth. And we feel that if they can't do that before Thanksgiving dinner, they won't rush it.
And we do know that at least one rally is planned for Monday, the same day as opening arguments are set to begin. Live in Brunswick, Brian Ray, WSAV News 3 on your side.